In terms of appearance design, Hongqi HS3 PHEV presents a sharp and unique appearance style. The front grille adopts a vertical layout and is covered with chrome trim strips. The headlight assembly adopts a split design, which enhances the image. The rear design of the car is round and smooth, and the most remarkable thing is the unique set of through-type taillights, which adds a unique visual effect to the rear of the car. In terms of body size, the length, width and height of Hongqi HS3 PHEV are 4655/1900/1668 mm respectively, and the wheelbase reaches 2,770 mm, providing passengers with a spacious and comfortable driving space. In terms of power system, Hongqi HS3 PHEV is equipped with a motor with a maximum power of 124 kilowatts and is equipped with an 18,404 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery pack, providing excellent power performance and durability.